Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 167. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this bottom row now, we're just missing a 3. For this row, we're missing a 1. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 5 and 9. Got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this column now, we're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 1 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 6, 1. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 4, 5. That 4 makes this our 9, 4, 2, 4. And that 8 makes this our 1, 8. For this column now, we're just missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. And for this box, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.